Hey guys, I just got back from food shopping. I went to Whole Foods and Trader Joe's, and I didn't go food shopping last week, so I had to buy a little bit more stuff. I stocked up on more stuff this week, and I buy a lot of the same stuff, so it's a lot of the stuff you've seen already, but you guys really like these food haul videos, so I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! So from Whole Foods, I got some organic bananas, some hummus, 2 things of my favorite creamer for my coffee, and I got 2 things of the stir-fry blend, 4 bags of organic cauliflower, some Food for Life Ezekiel low sodium bread, really no sodium, 1 tub of spring mix, and 1 tub of baby spinach. I got some seltzer, water, not very exciting, some all-purpose cleaner. I stocked up on some canned goods, beans, and I got some beets. I got 2 things of almond milk, 1 thing of soy milk, and then I also stocked up on some chips. We like having some chips at night. It's one of our vices. So we got some dill pickle chips, which are so freaking good. The usual popcorn, some Barritos barbecue black bean corn chips. These are also the bomb. And some unsalted tortilla chips to make nachos. Haven't had nachos in a while. Are you missing the nachos?
Yes.
This is what I got from Trader Joe's. I got some plantain chips, sweet plantain chips, and regular roasted plantain chips. I got a bunch of seeds and nuts. I had to stock up on that. I was all out of them. So raw pumpkin seeds, raw sunflower seeds, raw walnuts, and raw cashews. Got some flaxseed meal, lentils, quinoa, 3 bags of lentil pasta, a bunch of veggie broth, 5 containers of low sodium vegetable broth, some spices, coffee, some salsa, and some hot sauce. So glad they came back out with this. It seems like the formula is different, though. It's more watery now, but I'll still take it. Got some peanut butter, raw almond butter, and some jelly, and 2 things of marinara sauce, no salt added. Stocked up on frozen goods. Got a lot of organic frozen broccoli. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 2 regular broccolis. I have organic chopped spinach, 4 of those. And some of this that I saw and I'm trying for the first time. Organic kabocha squash, 3 bags of those. 4 bags of Brussels sprouts. Some green beans, peas, bell peppers, and mangoes. This will last me for 3 days. No, just kidding. But I do go through a bag of broccoli a day, along with other veggies, and usually a bag of Brussels sprouts, a bag of cauliflower. Definitely, I'm good for a bag of broccoli every day. And this is the last of what I got from Trader Joe's. Got 2 things of organic mushrooms, 2 things of extra firm tofu, 2 things of firm tofu, 2 tempehs, a rice cauliflower, some vegan mozzarella cheese, and I got some of this beefless ground beef to make my dad pasta, and I got my mom some of this Mediterranean hummus, and this vegan kale cashew basil pesto, and a soy creamer. And I'm absolutely in love with this stuff. If you like Indian food, you're gonna like this. If you like cilantro, you're gonna like this. I love it. It does have oil in it, which I don't avoid oil like the plague, but you know, I don't add it to food, but it does have oil in it. A little bit of this goes a long way, and it just adds a lot of flavor to food, and I absolutely love it. I like to take broccoli, cauliflower, and some chickpeas and put a little bit of this and a little bit of vegan sour cream, hot sauce on it. Real nice. Also got some of this hand cream. The winter is brutal and my hands are chapped AF, So this is a good hand cream. And this I didn't buy today, but I bought last time I went, and this is a really great body butter. It smells delicious. It says pumpkin, but it smells more like apple to me, like apple pie. So good. So I recommend that. And that was everything. I'll show you the receipts